Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and would you like to create a plant shop or a plant store website based on WordPress? Simple, fast and free. This is the template. You can make your site looks exactly like this one. It's a fully customizable template that you can edit the image, the texts, the contents, the widgets, the menus, and even have a blog or a shop in the case that you want, okay? To sell your plants or to move persons to your local business. Simple, easy, effective and free. This is what you're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just internet and sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar menus, hover mouse over appearance and click on themes. By default, when you install WordPress, it comes with a theme called 2024, 2025, depending of the year that you are, okay? WordPress have a new default theme for every year. But we're gonna click on add new theme. And right here, we're gonna search for a theme called Enzo, just like this, into the upper right corner of the screen. Here is the theme, click on install now. Click into the activate button, and this is gonna redirect us to the welcome page of the theme. This page gonna share with you important information, tutorials, but review the first link, essential plugins. Install and activate your plugins. Click on it, and you're gonna be able to install two plugins, the borderless. Click on install, click on activate. As you can see, it's completely free. Then we're gonna need to install the Elementor website builder. Click on install. Click into the activate. Elementor, as soon as you click any page of a site, gonna tries to make you create an account on their website, okay? Gonna opens this page. You can review the upper right corner of the screen. There is a little X button. We're gonna click on it to close this tab and go back to our WordPress dashboard. After this, we're gonna move to the left sidebar menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Because for this guide, we're gonna need to install another plugin. And this plugin is called UCommerce. Just like this. Click on install now. If you do not want to sell things on your plant store, just want to move these persons to your local business, you have no needs for WooCommerce, but if you want to sell, you're gonna need to install and activate this plugin. There is a playlist on our YouTube channel where I do explain how to set up WooCommerce, how to connect with payment gateways to collect payments on your site. WooCommerce gonna try to set up your store. You can skip the guide into the upper right corner of the screen. You're gonna need to select your country or region. Just remember, this is only necessary if you want to sell things on your site, okay? After this, don't need to worry. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and hover a mouse over the borderless menu and click onto the submenu called library, okay? And here we have a couple of free templates that you can import with a single click. I'm gonna choose the plant shop. We can preview. This is the website. But we're gonna click on import, okay? Click on import once again. We are building your website. We can click on view site now. And here is the results we got. A website just like the preview version, the template, that you can fully customize in the way that you want. Remember that we did install Elementor. Now, if you go to any page of your site, you're going to be able to see this button, Edit with Elementor. Try to click on it. that's gonna load you the Elementor Editor tabs. That is a place where you can fully customize your site in the way that you want. For example, changing texts, changing colors, changing images, applying links, changing videos, changing photos, in the case that you prefer. Changing backgrounds, if you need as well. Let me choose this one to explain you. As you can see, it's really simple. We can change the link for this button to another link that you want, okay? Change the content, change the size of the content, the typography, all into this left sidebar menus. And after doing all your changes, we're gonna click into the update button to save the changes. Now imagine that I would like to change the logotype and make your site online look like it's yours and all yours. We're gonna go back to our WordPress dashboard. And now we're gonna hover our mouse over appearance and we're gonna be able to see a new submenu on it called Customize. Click on it. This nice menu comes from the Enzu WordPress theme, the free WordPress theme that I have installed. And from here, we're going to be able to change global parts of our site, like colors, logo types, sizes, global typography. But let's focus into the header, that is the place where our logo type is located. Now, we're going to be able to see a logo option into this left sidebar menus. And here the options we have: remove and select image. If I select image, I'm going to be able to change my logo type to other image that I want, okay? Or even upload a file from your computer. After doing your change, click on Publish button that is going to appear into the upper left side of your screen, and you are good to go. Feel free to customize your site in the way that you want, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can promote your site. You can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Size.gallery, that is a place where you can submit your site, your app, your game to be reviewed and awarded. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more pro features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!